Hello girls. Today you will learn to create a mind map with the information you have already unpacked of Unit 2. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Google, make sure that you are signed up with your school's account, and then go to the website title drive.mindmup as MUP.com. Once in here, all you need to do is click on create a new map. It might ask you questions about your account. It doesn't do it to me because I am already logged in. But if it asks you questions, just follow the steps. Your account should be, or your email address should be showing right here, and then you are ready to go. If you notice, you are already in Google, in your Google Drive in Google. Make sure that you give it a new title. So your new title is going to be Unit 2 dash and your name. Okay, my name will be right there, but you need to add your name right here so that I know that is you. And you really just have to play with all of these options that you have right here. It's simple, but it takes a little bit of getting used to. So let me just move this a little bit so that you all can see. Okay, so double click right here as it says in here, and make sure that you add the title of Unit 2 in here. So this is how you're going to start. And once you have the title of Unit 2, then you'll be adding. You don't want another root. What you want is a child. And it'll add a child right here. So this is where you start adding your verbs. So you add your verbs. Then you go back to Unit 2 and you add another child. Okay. So actually you'll be adding whichever verb you identify for when you unpack your material. So you add your verb, and then after your verb you'll add another child. Make sure you are in verb, and you add a child to the verb for your noun phrase. You'll probably have several noun phrases for each one of the verbs. So just keep adding them. You should have, of course, the precise name of your noun phrase and the precise name of the verb that you want to add in there. Noun phrase, and you'll do the same thing with this other verb over here. You'll add a noun phrase in here, and you just keep clicking enter. Play with it. Just make sure that you are in the correct spot before you add a child or a sibling. Okay, in the case of a noun phrase, you can add from here a sibling right there. Noun phrase, enter, and you're good to go. You can move them around a little bit, and you can give them color as well. So if you want to have your verbs in a different color, just make sure that you are inside the place where you want to add the color. In this case, I want to add the color to this verb, and I want to give it an orange. Just make sure that all your verbs are the same color. All your noun phrases should also be the same color. Make sure that you are specific with a unit title right here, your verb, and your noun phrases as well. I'll play a little bit with it and let's see what else you can come up with. You might be able to add some images in there too. You're welcome to do that. And you can definitely play a little bit also with your with your letters, your fonts, I believe. And that's about it. Once you are done, then just submit it through Google Classroom. And all you need to do is, of course, be in your classroom. And when you're adding it, you're looking for the file inside your Google Drive. You will find your file inside your Google Drive. The files from MindMup are usually, you can identify them by this little icon right here. Okay, I hope you'll have fun with it. And like I said, make sure that you upload your file to the class, to the specific assignment. This assignment will be graded. We'll see you all next time.